In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wheel arch molding on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the front fender. Let's get started. Remove the 3 plastic clips for the splash guard. We only have 2. Remove the 3 splash guard screws using a 10mm socket. Remove the splash guard. Using a 10mm socket, remove all of the bolts on the inside of the fender well. There should be one more right here. There's one more bolt located on the bottom. Grab the wheel arch molding at the bottom, and we're going to start to pop the clips out. Keep going up and around, popping all of the clips. When you pull on it, you'll be able to see where the clip directly is. It'll start to pull and crease right there. Pull it all the way out until you feel where that clip is, and then put your fingers as close as you can and pop it out. There's a high chance of these breaking. Remove the molding. All of our clips broke except for this one. There should be these 2 little tabs on every clip. If you need to remove your clips, we're going to grab these and we're going to twist them. And remove them. Repeat this process for all of your broken clips. Using a detailer, we're going to spray down the fender and wipe it with a clean cloth, getting all of the dirt off of the fender. We have our new clips here. We're going to install these with the tabs on the skinny part. We're going to push them into place. Repeat this for all of the clips. We're going to attach the wheel arch molding to all of our clips. We're going to attach them to the plastic brackets on the molding. Start at one end and get your first clip started. Install the molding into place. Then we're going to go around clipping all of our clips in. Install all of the bolts for the wheel arch molding. We're going to start at the bottom one. And work your way around. There should be one more right here. Install the new splash guard. Install the plastic clips. We're using replacement clips. This is that 3rd one that should be there. Install the screws. Repeat the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.